Hi everyone! For the month of October, we are going to start a new unit. We are going to learn how to move, about motion, force, and gravity. Right now, we are going to go over our new vocabulary words. The first vocab word is distance. Distance means the space between two places. An example of that would be on how we have to social distance now. Everyone must stay at least 6 feet apart from one another to keep us safe. Another example would be that there's a distance between your house and school, or there's a distance between the park and the store. Distance means how far away things are from another. The next vocab word is down. I'm sure that you guys have all heard this word before because at one point in your life you must have fallen down to the ground or you had to go downstairs. Also, if you pick up an object, you need to eventually put it down somewhere. The next word is a speed that moves quickly. This word is fast. So when we are running or in a car or going on a roller coaster, we are moving very fast. As you can see, this picture of the stick figure, he's running and moving fast. The next word is force. Force means to make something move, stop, or turn. If you are pushing someone on a swing, you would need to use force to move them. Anytime you push or pull an object, you are using force. The next vocabulary word is gravity. Gravity is a force on Earth that pulls things to the ground. In this picture, you can see an apple is falling out of a tree. In outer space, there's no gravity at all. That is why everything in space floats around. Here on Earth, we have gravity, so that's why we don't float around all the time. The next vocab word is move. Move means to go from one place to another place. All day long, we are moving around. When we are walking, running, driving, or riding a bike, or even when we're dancing, we are moving. To pull an object towards you means to pull. In this picture, the stick figure is pulling on a wagon. Other things that you would pull would be a suitcase. When you are bringing an object towards yourself, you are pulling them. To push something means to move the object away from you. For example, if you are finished with your dinner, you would push your plate away, or you would push a shopping cart in a grocery store. Another thing you would push would be a baby in a stroller. The next word is the opposite of fast. This word is slow, and it means to not move quick, but to not stop. In the picture, they show a snail. Snails always move slowly. You can also walk or drive slow too. The last vocabulary word is up. Up means higher or toward the sky. An example would be when you let go of a balloon, it floats up towards the sky. Or even when you jump, you are moving your body towards the sky as well.